You'll encounter this in your first year, but will be elaborated more in your second year. This is the HLB system, or the hydrophilic lipophilic balance. Hello everyone, I am Hannah Grace, a second year pharmacy student, and here's what I've learned during my first year. HLB is a number that tells you the balance between hydrophilic, water-loving, and lipophilic, oil-loving parts of a surfactant. Basically, ginagamit natin siya para malaman kung anong klaseng emulsion ng mabubuo. Oil in water ba yan or water in oil? So these are the terminologies na kailangang alam nyo o malaman nyo sa lesson na to. Let's start with surfactants. Ang surfactants, ito yung mga surface active agents na tumutulong i-mix ang oil and water. Hydrophilic, as stated earlier, it's mahilig sa tubig, so water-loving. Lipophilic, oil-loving, mahilig sa oil. Pag amphiphile naman, it exhibits both hydrophilic and lipophilic parts. Oil in water emulsion, ibig sabihin, oil droplets in water. Kapag water in oil emulsion, water droplets in oil. So we have this. This is the HLB scale. So meron to 0 to 20, and the higher the number, the more hydrophilic, and the lower the number, the more lipophilic. So bakit nga ba mahalaga ang HLB? Kasi when you're formulating creams, ointments, lotions, or emulsions, kailangang tama ang HLB para maging stable ang product. When solving for this, meron tayong dalawang method. Yung mga methods dito is similar siya sa alligation. So method 1, averaging method. Ginagamit ito kapag gusto mo malaman ano ba yung total HLB ng dalawang surfactants na meron ka. Method 2, inverse or ratio method. This is similar to alligation, alternate. So ito, gagamitin mo lang kapag may target, HLB ka, at gusto mong malaman ilang parts ang need ihalo. O ayan, may background ka na sa HLB. Kaya pagdating nyo sa lesson na to, review na lang, at hindi ka na masyadong malilito o mahihirapan. Kung gusto mo pang matuto, don't forget to follow me and see you on the next video. Bye!